This is Fluency, continuing our work in grade 3. This is Module 1, Lesson 14. And today what we're going to do is skip count. We've been skip counting by 2s and 3s and 4s. We're going to do 3s, 4s, and 5s. And we're going to skip count up to, if we're starting with right here with 3, skip counting by 3s to 30. So we're going to start right there and we're going to go up to 30 and then we'll go backwards from 30. So I want you to do this with me. Best if you do it out loud, even though it might feel a little bit strange to you. All right, here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now let's go backwards from 30. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. That should have been maybe possibly a little bit challenging. Another good way to practice on this is to write them down, because then you have both the saying of it and then the writing of it to help you make that solid in your mind. All right, let's go to skip counting by 4s to 40. Same thing, we'll go up to 40 and then we'll start at 40 and go backwards. Alrighty, here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now the purpose of this is you should be able to skip count. And if I were to say to you, well, what is 9 times 4? If you didn't know that off the top of your head, you could skip count 9, skip count by 4 9 times, and you would land on 36, and that would be a way you could get there. So let's go back down from 40 and we'll go backwards. 40, 36, 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4. Another reason for this is that it becomes, as you say these numbers over and over, it becomes familiar to you, and you start to recognize, oh, that's a multiple of 4, or I know 4 is a factor of that number, which are words that we're going to learn and use a lot more in the coming weeks. So it is very useful to practice this, even though you might think this is really silly. 5s, I think you should be super solid on, but let's do it anyway. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We're going to go backwards from 50. It might be a little bit trickier than you think. It's easy to get confused, or at least for me, coming back down. So we'll start at 50. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Hopefully I didn't miss any in there. And that is the end of Fluency for today. This is something that you should be practicing definitely on your own to get really solid, because we're going to start adding in the 6s and the 7s and moving forward from there. Have a good day.